So the more elements we could throw at it, the better. That would light the environment. Fire, water, rain, flying drones, everything, just throw the book at it to try and create that sense of you're literally caught at the front line of a war. David wanted to create a transition, very much like the persistence of vision effect that you would see in a rotating. You've seen them turn of the century where you'd look through.
Yeah, like a zoetrope.
That's right.
Yeah.
It's a zoetrope type effect, and by running the camera around on set and doing numerous passes with the character sitting in the middle, we did the same rotation on set in the location in the steel factory. And that provided you, and then within the set, we brought elements of rain, lightning, explosions within the set. And then when we went to location, we did the same. And then it's very difficult to see it, but you'll actually, when she gets blown off the table, there's a tiny little edit there. And then she lands on location in the steel factory into a puddle. And then from that point on, it's one single steadicam. And he was adamant that he wanted to do it in a oneer, albeit compacted at certain times, but he wanted to try and make the sequence feel that the character was experiencing it in real time. So with that in mind, we said, okay, she has to get from her arrival into that puddle, be seen by the mule, attacked by him, shot by him, projected over a mound, and then land on the other side of it, and then be lifted up, and then transition back to the present day. So for that, we kind of went, okay, well, obviously, if we have to do this in a oneer, we need to shoot 360. So that all drove the look. So we went to special effects. We said, all right, guys, you will do much of the lighting for this with explosions. We had a drone which had a lighting on it to create a kind of a moving kind of spaceship firing blasts, etc. at the ground. It's a futuristic battlefield, so it was in the middle of a war. And that added to the visceral excitement of it. So the more elements we could throw at it, the better. That would light the environment. And then from that point, if we needed any additional lighting, we built that into the set. So she had to travel underneath a hooded area or a roofed area. And we were able to bury a couple of balloons in there, a couple of rigs to have some lamps secreted about there. And then fire, water, rain, flying drones, everything, just throw the book at it to try and create that sense of you're literally caught at the front line of a war.